You get out my phone.
At least a 777 taxi.
Watch it just be like a high-speed taxi test.
I'd be pissed.
So good.
They're so quiet.
Oh, there he goes. Got one. Any minute now.
Oh, they're so quiet. That thing is quiet.
Yeah.
I think we heard it from
That was so funny.
the tower.
Yeah.
Damn.
I was like turning, falling.
At any other airport, this would be illegal.
This would be really?
Yeah, you can't. I tried doing this at SeaTac. Almost got arrested.
Videotaping?
Yeah. Almost. Well, then again, my dad did drive right next to the South Satellite. They left the gate open.
Oh, so you just drove? You drove on the airfield?
I wasn't driving. I just asked my dad, "Hey, can we go to the airport to look at pictures?" And he's like, "Sure." Drive right through the gate. Like, fuck.
Wow. I can't believe how quiet that was.
I know.
Yeah. I mean, that's like not even half as loud as a 152. Not even close.
Yeah.
I don't think they can do
That
power
777 needs to.
Well, it's also very, probably weren't using very much power because there's no one on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He could be. Oh, he's coming back.
Bring my scanner back out later.